If you're watching this video, you're probably new to game development and don't know where to start, or you just want to know some free tools you can use for making games with no cost. Hello, I'm Games Guy. Today, I'll be talking about some free tools you can use for game development if you're either broke or stingy with your money. Let's begin. So up at number 1, we have game engines and frameworks. Let's start with game engines first. A good example of a game engine is Godot. I've personally used this engine and I can say that it is incredibly easy to pick up. It supports both 2D and 3D and has a variety of features to help make your game. It supports both C# and GDevelop, which is a programming language made exclusively for Godot, and builds of your game can be exported to platforms such as PC, consoles, mobiles, and many more. Plus, one awesome thing about Godot is that you can run this on anything, literally anything, and it will still work. This is due to the very lightweight nature of the engine, allowing it to run smoothly on any computer, however potato it may be. Now, apart from the lightweightness, the same is true for Unity, another game engine you've most likely heard of if you are looking into game dev before watching this video. Being a popular engine, Unity is the go-to option for a lot of game developers looking for reliable and powerful software. Also, due to the large community it has built in its lifespan of 19 years, any and every problem you have was most likely asked by someone and answered by someone else. What? Was that? You don't know how to code? Well, if you don't, you can use engines like GameMaker Studio, Construct, or GDevelop. Due to their custom 2D drag-and-drop programming language and intuitive user interface, even someone who has no coding experience can get hang of the engine quite fast. Now, coming to frameworks, if you're going to use them to make your game, here are some choices you should definitely look into. Pygame, a framework based in Python, is a library mainly used for making 2D games. One of the defining features of Pygame is that it's very simple to pick up, and basic games can be made quickly using it. Now, if you've got some experience with Java, I would like to point you straight to libGDX. Like Pygame, libGDX is also a framework, though it comes with way more features such as support for 2D and 3D as well as its own physics engine. Okay, number 2, we have art programs, and for that I'm going to mention 2 of them here. We first have Krita, a 2D art program, completely free. It's mainly used for 2D animation, so you can create animations to make your game livelier. It also comes with tools to do pixel art if that's something you're interested in. However, there is no feature to export sprite sheets yet, so I suggest pairing it with the Krita sprite sheet Manager plugin. If you plan to do only 2D game development, I suggest using Krita. And second, we have Blender. Supporting both 3D and 2D, Blender has everything you need to do anything, from modeling to rigging to animation and rendering. This program is basically the full package. With all the tools in it, you can create models and complex environments. And finally, we have number 3, sound. Of course, classic game developer, leaving sound for the last. Now, this section is going to be very short because there's only one program that ticks every box for a good audio editing program that I know of, Audacity. Audacity is for sure one of the most well-known audio editors out there. For a free program, Audacity offers a variety of powerful features to help edit your game sounds to what you desire. Also, the program itself has a very intuitive user interface, making it easy for anyone to get started on their audio work. And that concludes the list of free tools that you can use for developing your games. See you in the next video and hopefully in my Steam homepage. Goodbye.